Expect it to be as interactive as it was, and I got a real sense of what World War I would have been like in the valleys, and I really enjoyed it. It was a good performance.
Really amazing. It was just like, felt really real and really kind of, made people, I think, really connect to something that sometimes feels like it's in black and white a long time ago, but it was really touching. Thank you.
Is where they were giving the rum ration out. It was my grandfather then, and he brought it home, standing there, having that rum, and then you got to go over the top. So yes, it was excellent, very moving, and it was a pleasure being part of the research team as well. Thank you very much.
I thought it was really powerful. I didn't expect to enlist in the army tonight when I came along, but it really got me there. It wasn't what I was expecting, but surpassed everything I was expecting, and really powerful, and I encourage everyone else to come along.
Absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed it.
I didn't know what to expect. We booked it a while ago, and I just thought it was absolutely fantastic and really emotional, actually. Had a little tear in my eye a couple of times there. So that's about it. Thank you.
It's a passion. My family story goes, my grandparents married the day that World War I was declared. My grandfather's, his humour was, that was not the Great War. The Great War was between him and her. And he could not go to war because he was a painter and decorator. Yeah, because he had a bad chest. And where did they send him? They sent him to a coke works. It could have been worse than if he'd gone to war.
I've been to Mamet Wood and to Flanders, and I've seen everything the First World War, been there several times, and tonight was a very moving experience, brilliantly done. I must admit it covered every aspect of what we've seen. Thank you very much. Excellent performance.